And happy Saturday morning. We have a few clouds right now. Good looking view for the most part out of Crystal River. Temperatures right around 70. Is today a beach day? I'd give it about an 8 out of 10. We'll have kind of partly to mostly cloudy skies in the morning. Clouds clearing out a little bit more later today. Can't rule out a isolated storm or two. A good boating day with a light chop and a westerly wind around 5 to 10 knots. Air temperature at the beach will be right around 84. Water temperatures warmed up where you can actually get in. Right now it's right around 82. Current temperatures generally in the lower to middle 70s and a little muggy this morning, but for the most part a decent start to your day. Satellite and radar picture showing a mixture of sun and clouds drifting through the area. Again, the clouds will thin out a little bit more later this afternoon. As far as rain goes, not a raindrop anywhere in west central Florida. Looking to our north, we have a high pressure system. That's going to bring us more Canadian type of air, which is drier and less humid. So today, a little on the muggy side. Tomorrow the air starts to change and then lower dew points, dry, feeling nice for the beginning of next week. Here's a look at your forecast this morning. Partly to mostly cloudy, a sprinkle or two possible. This afternoon, those clouds kind of break up a little bit. An isolated storm can't be ruled out, but all in all, I'd get out and enjoy the day. A warm high of 87 degrees. And then moving into tomorrow, we're looking at a 20% chance for a storm. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies. And then Monday, the clouds move out. That Canadian air mass moves in. So we'll see less humidity and sunny skies. This morning, partly to mostly cloudy skies. It's around 75 degrees. This afternoon, partly cloudy skies, so a little bit less cloud cover, and about a 30% chance for a shower or a storm. Heading our high temperature right around 87 degrees this afternoon. Rain chance about 30% later today. So get out and enjoy the day. Yeah, we'll have a couple little showers here and there, but nothing you can't wait out a little bit for. Tomorrow, same thing goes. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, looking glorious with sunshine and low humidity. Adrian?
Thanks, Brian. You know, on News Channel 8 today, it feels like so far away, but I know it'll creep up.
No, you better get those dance lessons going. The music, you know,
right.
The vibe.
I won't be working at all. I'll just be hanging out, dancing. Right.
Yeah,
right.
Have a good time.
Exactly.
You'll do a good
Don't tell
job
the boss.
Going straight to his office right now. All right, if you got any plans this weekend or don't have plans, this is something really cool you can do. The Sweetfield Farms in Massarycatown, about 45 minutes north of Tampa. Go check it out. The sunflowers are in full bloom this morning. They also have organic veggies. I went there and ended up making chicken. All right, looking at South Tampa right now, you can see we have a few clouds. These clouds will break up a bit more as we head throughout the day. Let's call it partly cloudy today with a 30% chance for an isolated shower or a storm. So a decent looking day today once those clouds start to break up a little bit more. High temperatures in the upper 80s. Tomorrow, a little bit more sunshine, a 20% chance for a storm, and 88. All around, looking like a fairly decent weekend. Temperatures right now, 76 in Tampa and St. Petersburg. 75 in Sarasota, and Lakeland right now is 72 degrees. Satellite and radar picture where you see the white color, those are those a little bit thicker clouds, and the clouds kind of break up a little bit as you head north. So we'll see the clouds breaking up as they continue to move off to the southeast. Otherwise, we're dry pretty much all over the state of Florida right now. We have a high pressure to our north that's going to drift down our direction, bringing lower humidity and sunshine, especially by Monday. This morning, partly to mostly cloudy, maybe a little sprinkle or two. Heading into the afternoon hours will be partly cloudy, a decent looking day, maybe an isolated storm or two, high near 87. And then tomorrow, a 20% chance for a shower or a storm, otherwise partly cloudy skies. So again, a decent looking weekend. And then on Monday, that high pressure moves in, skies will be blue, and we'll have low humidity. All right, so for the morning, we'll have partly cloudy skies, and again, mostly cloudy in a few locations. Those clouds will thin out a little bit during the afternoon, so partly cloudy by later today, a 20 to 30% chance for a shower or a storm. High temperature near 87 and a little muggy today. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy skies, and go and expect to be mooned tonight because we'll have a full moon. Low temperature of 75. It will be a blue moon. It's because it's the 4th full moon this season, so it's token full moon. And by the way, Adrian will be singing Full Moon later this newscast. Stay tuned for that. Also, we'll have Mars and Saturn making a little triangle in the sky. So something kind of cool to see after sunset tonight. Look in your eastern skies. You'll see the moon and those two planets. So again, today and tomorrow, not too shabby. We'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies today, clearing out a little bit later this afternoon. You might have to dodge a little rogue shower or a storm, but for the most part, decent day. And then much lower humidity on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday when the high pressure moves in and a whole lot of sunshine with it. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, returning to somewhat normal late May, early June weather for Tampa Bay.
Well, since you already sang, I don't think I need to.
I think you should. The whole song from start to finish. So
we're good. I'll do that during the break.
We'll check with our producer to see if we have time for that.
She says no. Thanks, Brian.
She said no.
Amazon seems to have everything right. Well, now the company wants to give us even more.
All right, here's a live view right now from St. Pete Beach. And a little difficult to see, but we have our full moon that's going to be setting over the Gulf of Mexico here over the next hour. So it's going to be a really fantastic view if you're anywhere near the Gulf. But a bright full moon. It is a blue moon, technically, because it is the third full moon of the spring season out of 4 full moons that we'll have. So it's called a blue moon, even though it's not technically blue. Really humid outside. We have dew points in the lower 70s right now, so muggy weather, but that's going to change because of this little front right here. This little front could bring us maybe one rogue shower this morning or early afternoon. Otherwise, the front will bring us drier weather from the north. We have a high pressure moving down from Canada that has drier air with it, and that again is going to bring us lower humidity as we move into the next couple of days. So this morning, we're looking at a good deal of sunshine. Again, I can't rule out a really rogue shower, but for the most part, it looks dry. Temperatures in the middle 70s. This afternoon, it's going to be a decent day. We'll have a few clouds and also, again, maybe that real slight rogue shower chance south of town. Otherwise, a dry afternoon, kind of warm, high temperature right around 87 degrees. So I did drop the rain chance today. It's less than a 10% chance. So we're looking at a pretty dry day. And then lower humidity moves in for the second half of today and to tonight. So tonight will be really comfortable with low temperature dropping down into the 60s. And tomorrow, we're looking at deep blue sunny skies, a dry day, really pretty fantastic weather tomorrow on Monday when a lot of us go back to work. And then Tuesday, a 10% chance for a shower, otherwise a pretty dry week, and then kind of standard late May weather as we move into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So all in all, not a bad looking 8-day forecast.
And our friends at that controversial beach party out in St. Pete might have decent weather.
Yeah, for DJ Bleu, as he's called. Yes, they'll have a good time, or they might not know what's going on weather-wise.
Exactly. Ryan, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, the Tampa Bay Lightning are ready to keep the momentum.
And here's a live view right now from Sun City Center. Kind of a nice looking morning. We have the sun crossing over the horizon, a few little clouds right now, but for the most part, it is a nice start to your Sunday morning. And it's going to be a nice Sunday. So is today a good beach day, whether you're going to DJ Bleu's party at St. Petersburg or any other beach around the Bay Area. We're looking at about a 9 out of 10 as far as beach going days go. We'll have just a few clouds passing through the sky. Water conditions, if you're taking a boat out, not too bad. Maybe a moderate chop, so a little more wave activity than on some days, but not too shabby. Air temperature-wise, 82 degrees at area beaches. The water temperature is also in the lower 80s, so warm enough to finally get in. Current temperatures right now generally in the 70s all across Tampa Bay. Satellite and radar picture, not showing much right now, just a few clouds, not a raindrop anywhere in Tampa Bay. We have a little front to our north. You'll hardly notice this front is passing through other than bringing us drier, less humid air. Kind of stormy weather back south of Louisiana. That is going to move southeast. We could see maybe a rogue little shower with this front this morning, but for the most part, I think it'll be dry. And then behind this front, drier air and lower humidity does move in. So this morning, maybe one rogue shower, otherwise a dry morning. You know, a couple of clouds as well. This afternoon, drier air starts to filter into the state. So especially later this evening, you'll notice the air is not quite as humid as it has been the last couple of days. So a good looking day today, high temperature around 87. Tomorrow morning, will start off in the 60s, so more comfortable tomorrow morning, kind of a refreshing start to your day. By tomorrow afternoon, deep blue sunny skies, a good-looking day with a lot of sunshine. All right, so this morning, a good deal of sunshine, maybe that one rogue shower, low temperature of 75, which is right around where we are right now. And then this afternoon, decent day, just a few clouds and a warm high temperature of 87 degrees, again with lowering humidity throughout the day today. So a good looking day to get out and enjoy the beach or whatever you might have planned this afternoon. And then Monday, looking good. Starting off pretty comfortable in the morning, and then upper 80s for a high. Deep blue sunny skies tomorrow. Maybe a little sea breeze shower on Tuesday. Otherwise, dry weather Tuesday, and then especially Wednesday and Thursday. And then kind of classic late May afternoon storms on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, yeah, good looking week.
You said my two favorite words, lower humidity.
Oh. Mine are candy and cake.
Thanks for letting us know. We'll have to remember that. All right, Brian, thank you.
Yep.
Well, the Wright House